Yeah. Evan Craner.
You guys share. Control.
Come on, Teagin. Let's go, Teague.
They're good friends too. Yeah.
Come on, Teagin. Be aggressive. Come on, Teagin.
Have the same shoes.
Take control, Teagin.
These two know each other. Except for the chef that
Yes. Be aggressive, Teagin.
Follow one again.
Stay on your feet.
Tie up, Teagin. Tie up. There you go, Teague. Good job, Teagin. Keep control. Keep control.
Come on, there you go. There you go, Teagin.
Come on, Teagin. Good job. Let's go, Teague. Keep him down.
There you go. Keep control.
Good job. Good job. Don't let him out. Don't let him out. Keep him down, Teagin.
Same. Put it to your hip. Like the wrist. Keep that.
Go, Teague. There you go, Teague.
Keep him down. Good job, Teagin. Watch your back. Good job, Teagin.
There you go, Teagin.
Okay, keep it tight.
Hold the arm. Hold the arm. Hold it in.
Cross
Good job, Teague.
wrist. Cross wrist.
Just pressure on your toes. To his hip. To his hip.
Follow red. Hungry.
Get to the side. Take it to a hip.
Say what's this for? Yeah, I can't see it.
There we go.
Let's go, Teagin. Keep him down.
Come on, Teague. Keep control.
Don't let him out. Good job, Teagin. Way to wrestle.
Okay.
Come on,
Up and out, Teague. Up and out.
On set. Back cover.
Up and out, Teagin.
Come on, Teague.
Don't let him turn you. Up and out, Teague. Build your base. Build your base.
Come on, Teague. Get your knees up. Come on, Teague. Build that base.
Build your base, Teagin. Come on, Teagin.
There you go. There you go.
Hey, you're almost there. You're almost out. You're almost out.
Come on, Teague. Up and out. Up and out, Teague.
You gotta get out, Teagin. Teagin, you need to get out.
Leave a hold, Fred. 1.3.
What?
On set.
Be aggressive, Teagin.
Come on, Teague. Come on, Teague. There you go.
Good job, Teagin. Yeah! Good job, Teagin. Way to be aggressive.
Action!
It just did a side by on Teague. There you go up, Teague.
Short time, Teagan, you got 10.
Short time, Teague. Come on. You need points. Woo! Good job, Teague.
All right, Teague, you got this. Let's finish it now.
Stay right here. Each choice.
All right, Teague, you got it.
Be aggressive, Teagin. You will win. You will win.
Aggressive, Teague.
Come on, Teagin. Oh no.
Don't let him get that reversal, Teague. Up. Out, Teague, out.
You gotta get out, Teagin.
Toes on the mat.
All right? No, my tag.
All right, Teague, come on, let's go.
Be aggressive, Teagin. Oh no.
Elevate the ankle. Head down.
7.
Shoot, Teagan.
You gotta be aggressive, Teagin.
Hey, let's finish it, Teague. Come
There you
on.
go. Come on, Teagin. 1 period left. Hold out.
Place it.
There you go. Yeah, Teague. Hit him, Teagin.
Come on, Teague.
Run it, Teagin. Run it.
Don't let him out, Teague.
Oh no, no.
Nice.
Yeah!